Hi, my name is Joy, and I like long walks in home decor stores. Let's go into RH. Come on. Dip me underway. Fill my mouth with flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for every and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all over me, baby, baby, baby. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are about to take a walk inside of the famous Restoration Hardware. Now, this is my first time going in Restoration Hardware. I did sign up to be a member, like a trade member. So I wanted to come and like check it out, see what it was all about. We are in Annapolis, Maryland, the capital city of Maryland. So I know that they have a little bit of a traditional type furniture and modern, kind of trendy, but more on the conservative side. So we're going to take a look at it. There's also an air house over here. There's a Pottery Barn. So maybe we'll dip into a few, and I am going to take you along with me. Stay tuned. Let's go in. Let's go in. Hello. How are you? Hello. Thank you. Gorgeous. That is gorgeous. He's.
I've been waiting on season for you. Haven't seen nothing like you before. Can you help bring me back to you? You're my favorite one. You're the rarest one. How could I go back just for a temporary satisfaction? You've always been real. My cherry boy is so sweet, so sweet. So said things come naturally. I find our eyes only gonna be. Nothing commonly bound in the stores. You're compared to what I'm enjoying. You're my favorite one. You're the rarest one. Why would I go back just for temporary satisfaction? You're being real. My cherry boy is so sweet, so sweet. So said things come naturally. We hit your eyes right up on me.
The thing that I have always admired about RH online is the lighting. And guess what? It is so much more gorgeous in person. And the staff here is absolutely amazing. They are so sweet. You can really tell that they love what they do. Okay, so how did you all enjoy that little tour of Restoration Hardware? I thought it was so beautiful, especially the light. So now we're at a restaurant to finish off our day. I'm outside with the gang. Say hey. We got a shy one. Anywho, so we're about to have some dinner and then we'll call it a day. I'm outside.
Outside.
Yeah, you know I don't go nowhere. I'm outside. The homebody is outside today.
just wanna party, you just wanna lap dance, you just wanna pop up on these guns like you the Batman. You just wanna roll up in designer with your best friends. You don't wanna talk no more about it in the past tense. Get me out my zone. I'm just talking.
So this is my email. Like heat wise, not spicy. So it wasn't spicy? That's good.
Is it good?
My salmon is flaky. I can't even get it on the fork. There we go. Problems?
Yes.
Hmm.
You tell your peanut butter.
Mmm.
That's not.
It's good.
You picked the right place. I'm looking for the mom.
I'm doing it because she always do it. So I got the gang behind me. Y'all see them? Hello.
I didn't know this place was here.
Oh, Lord. We done put her on to something. There's a party we buying too. This looks like my my arrangement before it got outside and painted. This is your type of store. More stuff. Oh, driftwood. I need. Okay, so I had to make a quick stop at Sephora, so we got a little bonus today. I got to pick up some skincare, keep this flawless face going. This right here, Pottery, the best skincare out. This is like my favorite lotion.
Email. Okay, I got you.
Yep. Thank you.
you
Okay, day 2 in Annapolis. We loved it here so much yesterday. We came back, and today we are going to be antique shopping. I got a little noodle with me today. Okay, so since I had noodle, we decided to skip the antique stores and come here instead. There are very beachy vibes here, very blue. It really reflects Annapolis because Annapolis is a waterfront town with lots of coastal influences. There's good seafood, they're sailing. The U.S. Naval Academy is also located here, and that sure shows in this cute little shop. Okay, guys, that's it. I'm going to sign off. If you like this vlog, if you were inspired in any way, leave a comment below. And remember to like and subscribe. And I will see you guys really soon right back here on the channel. Bye.
She's in her happy girl era. She's no longer faking a smile. No longer acting like she's okay when she's not. Because she's genuinely happy.